Hi everybody. So today I was going to make a snack for me and Autumn. Ignore my voice. I moved the table out of the way. I don't know why. But then I saw that the fridge was such empty and just not that full. So I took out all of the other stuff. I took out there's only a couple baby carrots left in this basket. There was just a little tiny peach. And there was one baby food, which I think I'm going to save. But we're just gonna start with this. And this meat, which then I replaced it with this meat Karen, because we just needed to have more meat. And then this vegetable tin, I replaced it with this vegetable tin. And this fruit, I replaced it with this fruit basket. And I replaced this one with this one for all the baby stuff. I moved the fruit and that moved over a little bit. I got 2 drinks and I put them down here. I got these chocolate stuff, some goodies, some pocket drinks for the kids' lunches. Well, the kid. And then I will add some other fruits like eggs in my mini fridge. But yeah, that was a fun restock video. Bye guys.